Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video let's see what are the messages for you. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for Aries. Let's see what are the messages for Aries. Okay, so we have the Five of Cups, the Justice, the King of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, the Eight of Swords, the Three of Pentacles. Okay. Five of Wands, the Devil, and the Sun. Okay. So Aries, what I feel here is that there has been a situation in which you've been really very upset. But as the time passed, things sorted out, things got balanced, and you have attained a certain degree of stability. And what I feel here is this stability seems to be it's quite big. It's not a very small level of stability. It's a quite good stability, and your situation of being upset has actually been fully I should say fully sorted out. So you've come out of that energy of being upset and being lonely, perhaps not able to focus on anything which was positive in your life, but slowly and steadily you've already come out of it, and you have established yourself and grounded yourself in a beautiful way. As far as the energies are concerned, now we have the Knight of Cups, the Eight of Swords, and the Three of Pentacles. So what I feel here is that either you want to open up emotionally towards someone at your workplace or in your friend circle, whatever it is, wherever you are dealing with this person, but there is something which is holding you back. Okay, that's what I feel. You have a lot of love in this situation, whatever the situation is, or whatever this, if it's a person or if it is a situation, whatever it is, you really want to open up emotionally. You really want to invest your energy into it. Okay, and somehow what I feel is it seems to be a person. Somehow it seems to be a person, can be at your workplace, can be in your friend circle. It's something of that sort. It's a teamwork. It's a place where it's not only you two, there are more people out there, but there is something which is really holding you back. Okay, there is something which is really holding you back. You are not able to, you're not able to open up either, or you are not able to deal with the situation as you would like to deal with it. It can be that also. And then we have the Five of Wands, the Devil, and the Sun. So definitely here there is something which is markedly decreasing your happiness. We have the Sun card at the end. So definitely what you are striving for, what you are actually wanting for is your happiness. Okay, and that is why you want to open up emotionally. But these cards in between point out to the fact that you are not able to do so because of the fact that there are certain experiences which are holding you back. You are not able to come out of them. We are not able to let go of those things, and there is those things or those fears are causing some sort of conflict in your mind. So there is something here in your psyche. It can be one more thing. There is somebody here at your workplace, can be that, who is not allowing you. Maybe there is some sort of conflict at this workplace or in this friend circle where you want to open up emotionally in a beautiful way, unbiased, like there is no negativity to it. It's a very positive energy, but and which is actually going to lead to happiness. But there is something which is holding you back. It can be that somebody is saying something to you here, and that is causing this argument and that conflict in your mind. So with the Devil being there, definitely there is something here which is working against this happiness of yours, and that is holding you back. It's creating conflict in your mind. There can be certain arguments out there. There can be certain sort of disagreements or something of that sort. That energy is there only because of the fact that either you are not able to open up emotionally fully as you want to, because of something within your psyche which is causing conflicts in your mind, or inner fears or something which are not letting you open up. Okay, or maybe, and it seems to be, as I said, at your friend circle or in your workplace, because it's sort of a collaboration and a teamwork there. Okay, or it can be that somebody here is saying something to you which is causing all that negative energy effect in your beautiful energy. Okay, and that is what is inhibiting your happiness. Message from this deck is, again, just see, three cards have flown out. I'll take them. So we have the Eight of Spades, which is a justice card. So what I feel is you need to be truthful, you need to be just with yourself, because you are hampering your own happiness by, if you're listening to somebody, you're hampering your own happiness by doing that. And if it is your own inner fears, then you really need to come out of that. And we have the Jack of Hearts and the Three of Clubs. So definitely you need to be truthful, you need to balance the situation, you need to review it, you need to go to and fro about it, think from all the pros and cons, and once you are able to do that, you will see that you will be able to find that happiness and that stability which you are actually wanting, with the Sun card being there. So it is a promise of happiness. Just see, again the Sun card is there at the bottom. So there is a Sun card there which is promising you happiness, but it is your own stuff here, or maybe you're listening to someone, I don't know what it is, but there's something is hampering your happiness. Guidance from the angels, Four of Action. Your hard work and sincere efforts lead you to a sense of safety, contentment, and financial security. You deserve to take a break and enjoy the magnificent life you've created. It may be time to celebrate a wonderful event such as engagement, a wedding, buying a new home, or a birth of a child. So basically it is talking about, if you need to take a break, take a break, think about what is actually going on, so that you can take the remedial measures which are required to help you to achieve the happiness which you actually deserve. So Aries, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.